Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving away hundreds of gift cards to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just a really quick tutorial today to show you how to get free Tinder Gold. You can get a Tinder Gold promo code in 2026 that's going to supply you with 1 month gold for free. As you can see, Tinder Gold is pretty expensive. It's going to cost you around $20 US for 1 month. I'm going to show you a Tinder Gold promo code that's going to get you free Tinder Gold for 1 month, and it is going to allow you to see who likes you, use the passport so you can go anywhere, unlimited likes, and tons of other features. So before I show you guys how to get free Tinder Gold, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. So what you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone. You can do this on iPhone or Android. Just use the mobile that you have Tinder on, I suppose, and head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So as you can see, guys, pretty easy. Just type this into your mobile phone internet, and Cold Coupons is a coupon code website. Now they actually have a page on here for Tinder Gold promo codes, so just search for Tinder and it should just pop up, guys. There's one verified coupon code. Of course, this is going to be the Tinder Gold one. You can see it's been used over 1,000 times and it is 5 stars. I've already done it, so I'm going to drop it a 5-star rating myself. Go ahead and scroll down. As you can see, this is going to get 1 month free Tinder Gold. And this is a promo code, guys, that you can enter in the Tinder website or in the application, in the redeem gift card or promo code section. And it is going to upgrade your existing account to 1 month Tinder Gold. So as you can see, it says your code is ready and will be revealed after verification. Now, because these are limited codes, guys, and of course Tinder Gold costs around $20 US for a month, you do need to unlock your code. Sorry guys, my kettle has just finished boiling. Let's just let's make that coffee here, and I'll get back to the tutorial in a second. There you go. Anyway, guys, like I said, you do need to unlock your Tinder Gold promo code, and this is completely normal. So what you're going to want to do is just click on get full code, and you're going to see this code unlocker. It says complete 2 of the 3 offers below to unlock your code. Now essentially, guys, to get your Tinder Gold promo code, you need to complete 2 of the tasks on this screen. They're all completely free, and they basically sponsor Cold Coupons. That's how they can give us these free Tinder Gold codes. So these tasks are simple things like installing and opening mobile applications. All you have to do, guys, is make sure you do read the small text. That is basically a description that tells you how to complete each task. And if you go ahead and do that, your Tinder Gold promo code will be fully revealed in this box, and you simply redeem it in the platform of choice, guys. And in this case, it's going to give you your 1 month free Tinder Gold. So that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. All you need to do is go to Cold Coupons, search for the Tinder promo code, and select the free gold. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.